If you've ever dropped your phone and you just watched it in slow motion, you're saying, please don't crack, please don't crack, please don't crack. Well, that's why these cases were invented, is so that you don't have to worry about your phone, especially your new S26, getting cracked on the journey when the phone meets the pavement, right? The other thing that has happened to me in the past is, just as well as dropping it, it could just fall out of your pocket as well if you sit down. So you definitely want to have your phone protected. Now, the thing I love about this case in particular is it comes with a MagSafe attachment. You can see that it's a little bit protruded right here, so it's gonna give your lens that protection that it needs. I used to have one where you'd actually put it over the lens, and I didn't like that at all. So I wanted to kind of switch out where this doesn't actually cover the lens, or I wanted that in my next case. I felt like I was cleaning that way more than I should. Even though the protection was there, it was always getting mucked up and dirty. So again, this is gonna attach right to a mag and charge, and you're going to be able to make use of that new hyper 20-watt wireless charging on the new S26. This case feels really solid in the hand. I mean, it's not going to break. It has a little bit of flexibility, but it is very rigid. The corners and the edges are going to protect your case really good. If you happen to like the little orange pop, that's what I do. I like the black on orange, so I kind of geek out with that design. But really, there's not a whole lot to say other than they thought of everything with this little case. So if you happen to jump up to the S26, congratulations, and hope you enjoy your case.